Today, uubusin natin itong isang ito. Yung ate ko, hindi kain kaya English kumuha na lang ng ano. Ininom niya hanggang dito. So, i-world record na lang natin. Half na yan ha, half na. Isang. Let's start. Sorry kung may sugat dito. Pinapunan kasi ng ate ako ng bato. Sobrang nabat na pinapunas natin.
Sometimes life feels unfair, like no one sees how hard you're trying. But listen, your effort is not wasted. Every tear, every sleepless night is shaping a stronger version of you. Don't rush the process. One day, you'll look back and realize the pain you carried was the reason you learned to fly. Sometimes life feels
Liit to. Liit. Liit, diba? Sa totoong buhay, ganito yung kalaki. Yung ipapakita ko sa inyo kung kung hindi wala kayang ganito, papakitain ko sa iyo kung gaano kalaki siya. Alam ko kung paano. Ganyan siya kalaki sa totoong buhay. Ganyan. Picture nyo siya.
I had the right of way. When I need to let every damn Cory on their rundown bikes fix this rundown bike, I can pay my rent.
Babe, let's go. We're wasting our time.
What do you mean? Who's gonna pay for my damages?
Get your stuff off the road, or we're in over.
Really? You're so right, honey. I don't have time for this loser right now. Do you remember our plan?
Of course I do. 5 minutes and my husband will come. So why is Terry?
Freak. Listen, your wife is trying to poison you. I've told her. Look, I have already proved that you have to trust them. Now it's time for you to go.
Your squad is so lucky to have such a handy man.
But there are drugs that difficult. I've had much time to
I'm so sorry, Dad.
Don't worry.
Eh, baka naman kita mismo. Vertical nga lang. Baka ka mo. Ito na. Ito na.
Ma!
Mami, baka mo. Ha?
Yes. Yes po.
Ito na ka mo. Pwede ko lang. Ano?
Makad na lang tabi kami sa birthday.
Ano na naman yan?
Guys, ipopost ko sa luma. Pag pinost ko, share ko. Paparto na lang tayo guys, makiki-birthday kami. Magpaparto na lang tayo ng world record kahit 4 minutes pa. Dalawahin na lang natin to. Huwag nga pala guys, ayaw ko na magpunta. Hindi na ako sasama sa kanila.
I won't disturb you.
Okay, makiki-birthday kami kaya bilisan na natin.
Okay. Halika na. Go. Bisa.
Ito na lang guys para mabilis.
Halika na. Okay. Ang palit ka ng shirt.
Bakit nanganak ko kanina? Nagsabi ka ayaw na. Ano ba yan? Sorry guys, about them.
Then stir in cocoa powder and a spoonful of sugar.
Cocoa powder? I feel like chocolate. I really don't see why we need more sugar, but
And when it starts to simmer, dump in the chocolate.
okay, it's definitely simmering and almost smoking. So, chocolate.
Mix it until it's evenly spread.
Okay, let's stir it up.
After that, add a splash of vanilla and a
Ano
pinch of salt for a deep
Huwag tayong magpunta daw kay gabi na. Eh, wala pang invite na sa GC. Hindi tayo lang nagsabi. Hindi man siya ever pa.
Guys, post muna kami.
Also, dream that
Post muna kami. Ipopost ko muna ito. Tapos babalik kami kasi mag-aano kami ng ipunta sa my birthday. Ayun. Hi guys, we're back. Bakit may uklat? Ano, umaga to gabi? Umaga to gabi. Okay, mag-drink na tayo guys. Mama, off ko muna guys. Ayaw! Ayaw! Tama. Tama ha? Tsaka. Ang kape. Kape rin nga ng
Yes, Filipina girl is trying to tequila.
Since nagpunta tayo sa may yung nagpunta na tayo dun sa birthday. Nagkatin na pa ako. Do you feel bad for me?
No.
Joke lang, never. Never. Don't you dare.
Ito lang lagi guys nakukuha ko dahil kaliitan.
Charger. Nakakabusog to, parang gusto ko tamae. Joke lang.
Summer.
Okay. Thank you for helping me out. Iinom ako guys. Iinom ako. Kunwari, voice kita. Jobanga. Sabi, nga. Oh. Hindi nakakahirong ginagawa ko kaysa umupunta ka ganyan. Nakakahul ka. Expose mo ko. Expose. Wait lang. Real life yan, okay? Corolla! Sandali, guys. Ay, kinakabalan ko ng ate ko. Uy, ikaw na ito naglagay ng basaan. Kaya kasalanan. Nagtukaw ko ikaw.
Don't move. Dispatch. We recovered the girl.
Daddy? You were the one that sent the help? Yes. Stephen promised that he would get the green card. He said that I could not.
Mission success.